Here's a flashback. There was a friend whom I was knowing her in my Bharatanatyam class before 8 years, and I hardly knew she is into DIY or creativity stuff. But today she has created her YouTube channel, and it is called Ankinish Creations, and it has almost lot of subscribers who like to do follow her channel for the creativity and lot of handmade crafts. So today we are going to have our chat or interview with my friend Ankita, who has done her Ankinish Creations YouTube channel. Nice to see you after a long time.
Yeah, same, yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Ankita, just say about yourself now, how it is, and how's life going in Ireland.
Life is good. I've become a mom, so I have a 3-year-old, and yeah, I've started my art and craft journey in 2012 as well. But at that time, I only used to do as my hobby, and I was just posting pictures on Facebook and like that. Then I created a blog on Google blog post, something like that. So then I created that blog, and after that, many of my viewers asked me that you should start a YouTube channel. You should start a YouTube channel, and that's when that journey started. I started in 2015, and yeah, as a profession, I'm a chartered accountant, but and that profession was not letting me
Yeah,
follow my passion, and it was not letting me to be with my family actually, because my husband has a on-site job. He used to travel a lot, so I decided to follow my passion and start a YouTube channel, and
exactly.
from that it started. Yeah,
Yeah.
everything.
And your channel name is Ankinich Creation, right? It is more
Yeah,
specific over craft, art and craft, as well as the
yeah,
decorations, what people can do it by themselves at their home.
yeah, yeah.
What made you to stick to that particular vision of mainly focusing in art and craft? That means little bit about by when in your early childhood days have you started, or when that journey started?
So there is no specific point that I started at that moment, because my mom is very creative. So I think I inherited that from her. So she's very creative, and we always used to give handmade gifts to friends and family, and we used to make cards for everyone on any occasion. So
Okay.
maybe it started from there, and sticking to this particular thing is because it's like a meditation for me.
Hmm.
If I have a free day, I would like to explore any art and craft store, any decor store, to get inspiration, like IKEA, for
Okay.
instance, and any big art and craft store. Like when we were in US, I used to roam in those big art and craft store, Michaels and Hobby Lobby. I used to be there for 6 7 hours, just roaming in the aisle to get to know how many new things are there. So slowly and gradually, I started to learn so many things. Still, I'm learning lots of tools and different art forms, but it's like a meditation for me. When I'm in my craft room in my studio, I don't think about anything else. It happens naturally with me. Like
That's
there is no
nice.
other thing where I am like completely shut off of everything. It's only this thing where I'm me, like 100%.
Mhm. That's cool. I have even seen one of your video on your decor room, right? The art
Yeah,
and craft
yeah,
room, right? That's also
yeah, yeah,
great.
yeah.
And overall, when I've gone through your videos today, right, mainly to see what are the stuff which I can ask and more, which is connecting with me, I was seeing a lot of handmade stuff where people can do by themselves. Even the instructions,
Yeah,
even the way how you have given, it really makes people to connect themselves, even because I'm busy with my office work. But if I want to
mhm,
do some creative stuff sometime for decorating my
yeah,
home, it is something so
yeah,
catchy where I can just take any one of your video and I can still do that.
yeah.
What is the yeah, Ankish. Ankita.
It brings a kind of a pure joy when we create something from scratch. It really brings pure joy. It's like how you, for you it's like growing vegetables, and it's a
Yeah.
pure joy now when we create something from scratch. It's really something different.
Yeah, it's really lovely to see that the handmade recent orders which you have taken from some of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
brands.
yeah,
It was really
yeah,
lovely to see an entrepreneur
yeah.
growing out of this particular
I
channel
hope so.
now, I can see, right?
I hope so. Before that, we used to do like in Dublin. There used to happen markets every month. So I used to go and exhibit my stuff, and I have sold so many things in the markets. And I used to take workshop for kids at my home. But now in this time, like 4 5 months, everything has shut down. Like there were no markets happening and no workshops. So this opportunity was really motivating for me.
That's great. What is one video which you like most in your channel? And I also have seen one of your video has got 1 million views as such, right?
Yeah, that was the video which I like the most. Is there are many, I can choose anyone, but if you will say like there's one video which is Varli pot painting video. It
Hmm.
it also does decently well every month, and I why I like that the most, it's because it's promoting ancient Indian art as well. Plus every week I get one, at least one message from a school student or a college student saying that, oh, thank you so much for making this video. I made this in my school pot painting competition, and I won first prize, I won second prize. I have at least like I will say 30 to 40 messages like that, where people have participated watching that video and painted, and so many kids have sent their pot painting, like which they have recreated seeing that video. So that's really close to my heart, like because kids get motivated and they learn about ancient art. So that is
That's
one of my
wonderful.
favorite video.
Today, in fact, I also happened to watch that video on the Warli painting because I also
Okay.
like Warli painting. So
Uh-huh.
that is something which and the best thing is that you have given a description about how it's connected
Yeah,
to our ancient art, what actually it means. So there's a lot more
yeah.
people to connect with actually with respect to the painting
Yeah. And
background,
it's just like if it's just we need to get started. After that, we can do our own research and dive into more if any subject interests us.
okay. And
So,
while you're creating the channel, right, when it was
mhm.
evolving, what are the hurdles you have seen, or how you were able to grow and nurture this as a product by itself, right? Because for any
Okay.
new YouTubers, let it be like me, which I have just started
Yeah,
very recently during this COVID times.
yeah.
So, for people who are starting like me as well, what is some message which you really like to give? Because there is a lot of effort which has gone into your channel to bring maximum
Yeah.
subscribers. I can see that almost it's in 19,000 subscribers.
Yeah. It's not a big number if we consider recent growth in YouTube channels, because people get like 1 lakh in really small time. But for art and craft, it's a very small community.
Yeah,
Every day, people won't like to watch every day a new craft video, because the people don't have time to do so much of
yeah,
art and craft. But in initially it was really difficult. Like when I remember the day when I hit 100 subscriber, I danced a lot, because that's when we get to have our own link, like
yeah,
YouTube/
yes.
Ankinish Creation. So that's when I danced a lot. But yeah, it was difficult to get subscribers in a frequent basis. But that because of the Wali pot painting video, I think my channel really hiked. And after that, what you have mentioned, that video which hit 1 million
Yeah.
views, like in 1 week, it hit 1 million views, and after that, it hit 2 million as well. So it was, I think, I think what made that hit that number of views, because it was the perfect time when I uploaded that video. Plus, I think the thumbnail which I created, it was copied by so many channels after that. Yeah,
Okay.
that thumbnail showing the plain diyas and then
Yeah.
writing, yeah, that was copied a lot. But that's because I have seen that people were decorating already fancy diyas.
Hmm.
People were not decorating plain diyas, which mostly everybody uses plain diyas. Very
Yeah.
less people uses
Yeah.
fancy diyas. So I thought I should decorate some plain, in a easy way, plain diyas, which everybody like you who are going to office can
Hmm.
do like in 5 minutes, 10 minutes,
Yeah.
coming from office and have like some
Yeah.
fancy diyas as well. So maybe that hit, and I don't know actually what happened. Maybe people have shared a lot, so
Hmm.
it really matters. Like how many likes we get, how many comments we get. That improves the rating of our video. So that is where the likes and comments. It does not give any income, the likes and comments, but that improves the rating of the video.
Yeah.
So yeah, that maybe people like that. Oh, this small plain diyas we can as also do. They don't have to go and search for fancy diyas to decorate them. So maybe that triggered.
Okay, that's good. And overall, for any person when they are just evolving, right? How long it takes for any new YouTuber or as a small scale YouTuber to reach a good number or to call themselves as, yeah, we have launched a product. So how much effort, or how long will it take for a person from
It
your
it
experience?
Yeah, it depends on content to content, I guess, because like for I can say for art and craft, it really because I was not consistent. I can say that I was not consistent in between when I got pregnant, when I got have had a baby, then we moved to Ireland. So there were many gaps. But if you upload consistently, then I think like because now before 3 months I have relaunched, I can say like that I have relaunched my YouTube channel because I have been uploading consistently and I have been trying to do other type of content like vlogs, which will incorporate something related to art and craft, but like studio tour and like that. So I think 1 year you have to work very hard
Hmm.
and upload consistently. if
Okay.
if we have a break in between, then again our rating gets down and then we have to relaunch. So
Hmm.
I think 1 year we have to work like upload consistently, and then we can
Consistency
in
is the
terms of
secret.
earnings, it's very difficult to get like stable income. You have to do something else to get an income source. It's not like a YouTube say he we can earn
Hmm.
properly until we reach like that top high. So for
Okay.
me, the biggest payment I get was due to that Diya painting videos.
Okay.
Yeah, that was really good. After that, it has been constant and not much. But yeah, if we upload consistently, it will grow gradually.
But at the same time, I see now affiliated marketing is also working with you,
Yeah,
because I can see now a new entrepreneur is emerging out of it, seeing people asking for birthday parties, the
yeah, yeah,
one
yeah,
which we
yeah,
have
yeah,
done, the
yeah.
bulk
That,
orders,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, that creates this channel has helped me create a name for myself. Like every at least people know what Ankinish Creations is. Like here also in our Ireland community, many people know that Ankinish Creations is a name, and because there are so many videos, 150 plus videos, they get to see, oh, there is some work in this
Yeah,
thing. Yeah.
exactly.
And due to that only many kids have come for the workshop, and they were coming regularly past 7 8 months. They were coming regularly before this COVID situation. So that
Oh.
was really helpful. I got to create my own name due to
Mhm.
this.
That's good. And also, I happen to see your exhibition, which you have exhibited in Ireland,
Yeah,
right? Can you
yeah, yeah,
share
yeah.
some experience out of that? How it was bringing our Indian exhibits over there, right? The art
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have done.
I was not able to see many Indian exhibits. Some in some markets, I interacted with one or two Indian. I have two friends here who do exhibitions who are Indian. One is into miniature art and one is into paintings. So yeah, but it is very fun here exhibiting stuff, because even if people don't buy, because they'll buy if they need something or they really want to give something to someone, but they they really appreciate your work. Like they'll stand and they'll talk to you. So even small opportunity is a great, like can be turned into a big opportunity later on.
Yeah,
So
that's true. That's true.
yeah, it's really fun interacting with other fellow crafters and artists. So it is a good learning experience for me to
Mm.
know what people really like to buy, what people really need. They can also put to use. If I create something, if it is useful as well, then it, like for example, my clay dishes and my mini notebook paintings, they are really popular because they get a hand painted notebook,
Yeah,
plus they can put that notebook to use in a day to day life. So
yeah, yeah.
yeah, that is really popular for
That's
my
also more catchy, I
store.
feel. It's something usable, which is more like a memorable one, like the
Yeah,
mandala
yeah.
painting which you have done for the notebook,
Yeah,
right? And
yeah.
even bookmarks also I have seen, which I felt,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
it's more touchy for any person.
Yeah, bookmarks, people are like they really, because for kids they come and they can buy lots of bookmarks and give to their friends like that. So yeah, bookmarks, notebooks, all the small things are very, I term notebook painting like as a notebook greeting card.
Okay,
It's a small notebook, so it can be used, given as a greeting card, which can be used as well in a day to day life. So
that's true.
it's really popular. Yeah.
We wanted to see one DIY now. I hope you
Sure,
would be
sure.
having, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I've planned a hydro dipping pot painting. So we it's the end result looks like this.
Wow, superb.
Yeah, it's really easy and it takes like few minutes. So I'll just turn the laptop this side and
Sure.
I'll show you. Is it visible?
Yes, can go
So
ahead.
So this is the pot with like any container with plain water. And then what we need to do is we need to spray some spray paint inside it
Yeah.
like this. You can use any multiple colors or one color, whatever you have at hand, like this. And then we just need to dip this inside like this, and it will create a pattern automatically.
It's lovely.
Yeah, and because if we use spray paint, it is waterproof as well. So this
Mhm.
can be a great gift or a great decor like at home as well because it's waterproof, it's durable.
It's a 1 minute, not even a 1 minute DIY, but it's
Yeah, it's
really,
a very less, and the pattern it creates, it will never be same.
yeah.
It will always be different, and we can choose as many color combination we want. So
Hmm.
it's really, and it's very therapeutic to just spray paint and dip. We can dip like how I've dipped one small pot. We can do this with big terracotta pots
Hmm.
or some glass containers. Anything which we want to decorate, it will create really good patterns.
Sure, sure. We will try. Even I have something white colored pot which I want to
Yeah,
try it. Let me try that and send a picture of
sure,
that.
sure, sure.
And what's the
So
next plans you have, Ankita? That is how you want to take up your YouTube channel or else your unfinished creations to the next level?
I've for now I've planned like that. I don't plan for really long term. I plan for a small, like 6 months from now or 3 months from now, because we don't know with the family how things will turn out. So what I have planned for now is I'll try to upload consistently every week 2 videos at least. I have not uploaded this week because of that order timeline. So I'll try to upload every week 2 videos at least. And once I attain that, I achieve that level that at least each video is having 1,000, 1,500 views when they go up, like in a week, then I'll try to contact some craft brands or something like
Okay.
that. Yeah, that's what my goal is. And I also want to incorporate one video every month which is related to some ancient art or some tribal art, something related to history, which is knowledgeable. Plus, we can incorporate that into our art
it's an interesting chat which we had with you, Ankita,
Yeah, same
and
here.
it's really memorable. It's going to be memorable because I was able to connect with you after 5 to 6 years, right?
Yeah, 8 years.
Yeah, 8 years.
Yeah.
So I feel so happy about it, and now I can see a friend who has turned into a creator by herself. That too into
Yeah.
the space of creativity, which is hardly done by people. So
Yeah,
that's
I
really
hope
lovely.
more people comes into creativity, and it's just very therapeutic. Yeah.
And last but not the least question is that what are your few channels which you really look up to for any DIY ideas?
For DIY ideas, I don't actually follow many art and craft channels because I don't follow regularly any art and craft channel, because if we tend to see more videos related to what we are doing, so uh, it's it gets interrupted into natural process of thinking new ideas and thinking your own unique DIY. So I don't follow any proper art and craft channel as such. There's one channel like Mad Stuff with Rob,
Hmm.
which I watch his videos time to time because he shares new techniques. He really teaches what an art is. So I really watch that channel. Plus, if you want to ask any other YouTuber, which I really like to watch, is it's Brittany Wasser Beauty and Pickup Lines. Like
Mhm.
one is for organization and home organization and cleaning videos, and Pickup Lines is all about vegan cooking and minimalism.
Oh.
And one Indian YouTuber which I really like is Saloni Srivastav.
Mhm.
Is really good. Like she has a lot of lifestyle and food content and minimalism,
Mhm.
and she also teaches a lot about side hustle jobs which we can learn and create a new side hustle source of income for us. Yeah,
Lovely.
I really like her. Yeah.
Thanks for that info because it's going to be really useful for the people who are going to watch it, and at least for
Yeah,
myself because as a small YouTuber, I'm just trying to get as much as
I'm also small. I'm very small right now. But
so.
I love to create DIY and all that, so I'm happy doing this.
So, but we will catch again later. Thank you. Thanks
Sure,
all the
sure,
time
sure.
for making it because it's not easy. You have a small kid and making it
Yeah,
sleep and then making the time okay for us. It's all really wonderful
yeah,
to hear from you.
yeah,
Thank you, and
yeah.
huh?
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you.